Hey YouTubers, welcome to the Ultimate QA Bootcamp, where we take chaotic tests and turn them into streamlined masterpieces. Today we are tackling the mess that is unstructured Cypress test. Because, let's be real, your code deserves better. So stick around and we will organize it so clean that your mom would be proud. Let's dive in. Alright, in my previous video, I have created a Cypress test. But look at this code. Sure, it works, but it's like building a house with spaghetti. Messy, fragile, and absolutely terrifying if you're hungry. This is fine, and it would work fine, until you have to update 20 different tests because your designer decided buttons should be now circles instead of squares. But there's a better way, folks. If you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Enter the page object model, aka POM. Let's clean this up. So step 1 is by creating utility functions to handle boring repetitive stuff, like clicking buttons and typing text. Think of it as outsourcing your test grunt work to a really efficient robot. As you can see, I have created a utils folder, and under that I have created an actions class where I'm inserting all the repetitive stuff. For example, created a method for click element, a type text, and assert text. And this can be used across all of your tests. Now step 2. Meet our superstar, the refinance calculator page class. It's the kind of class that makes your test go, whoa, wow, I didn't know we could look this good. With this class, you can cleanly organize every action on your page into neat little methods. And with method chaining, you can write tests so smooth, they will guide through your pipeline like butter on a hot pan. Now, let's put all together and rewrite our test. And watch what happens when we write our test. Prepare to be amazed. First thing first is to import our page object class. We do that by using an import statement. Refinance calculator page is the name of the variable we are using to represent the page object. Once imported, let's rewrite this messy code. Let's delete all the previous written code, and we want to use all the methods that we have written in our page object class. And to do that, first, let's call our variable and just type dot, and you'll see that all the methods are automatically appearing. So the first one is our visit method, which will take you to the website. The next one is our click advanced option, which will click the refinance calculator button on top. And the third one is our enter home value method, where we entering the $250,000 home value. And the next one is our calculate button, which we want to click to calculate the total result. And finally, we want to verify the total amount, which was $11,205.86. And that's it. Look how clean this is and looks so good. One clean chain and one beautiful test. No clutter, no confusion. Just pure readability and maintainability. So there you go, folks. Page object model with Cypress. And that's how you take your messy test and transform it into something elegant and efficient. So that's a wrap, folks. If this helped make your testing life easier, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more tips to level up your automation game.